Have you ever dreamt of breaking free from the 9-to-5 grind and achieving financial freedom? Imagine waking up every morning knowing your business is thriving and making over $10,000 monthly. Sounds like a fantasy, right? Well, it's time to turn that fantasy into reality. In today's video, we're diving into 12 incredible and unique ways everyday people are cashing in big and living the life they've always wanted. These aren't your typical side hustles. These are proven strategies to make serious money. Buckle up and prepare for game-changing ideas that will get your entrepreneurial wheels spinning. Let's jump right in. First up, we have an inspiring husband and wife team who turned their passion for baking into a booming business. They started small, baking delicious treats in a commissary kitchen, and strategically targeting local cafes within a 20-mile radius. Their secret? High-quality products, beautiful photography for their brochures, and a personal touch when approaching cafe owners with samples. With just 20 to 30 cafes as clients, they're raking in $24,000 a month. This simple yet effective approach can be replicated in any town. Imagine making a living by doing what you love and making such impressive profits. Landscaping and tree services might not sound glamorous, but the profits sure are. One savvy entrepreneur found a goldmine in this industry by leveraging subcontractors and using targeted Google ads. By focusing on quality work and building strong relationships with subcontractors, he ensures steady business and high profit margins. With minimal upfront investment and smart marketing, this business model can generate over $30,000 per month. It's all about leveraging local opportunities and providing top-notch service. CPR training is a vital service, especially for medical professionals. One business is capitalizing on this need by subcontracting CPR instructors and providing training to nurses, respiratory therapists, and other healthcare staff. With contracts from multiple facilities, this business is thriving. The key is to build a network of reliable instructors and market your services effectively. The demand is high and the profits are substantial, making this a lucrative venture for those willing to put in the effort. Dumpster rental business, $188,000 per month. Yes, you read that right. A one-man dumpster rental business can generate a staggering $188,000 per month. With just 20 dumpsters and a hook lift truck, this entrepreneur moves dumpsters around for local businesses and construction sites. By building strong relationships with contractors and construction companies, he ensures a steady income stream. This business model proves that even the most unconventional ideas can be incredibly profitable with the right strategy. Music lessons with a twist: teaching and profiting. Music lessons are a classic way to make money, but one musician took it to the next level by combining teaching with local marketing. He built a full schedule of students by placing flyers at schools, coffee shops, and local gigs. His waiting list is so long that he's exploring ways to monetize it further. This approach shows that with a bit of creativity and local outreach, you can turn your passion for music into a significant income stream. Sewing machine repair courses, niche yet lucrative. The sewing machine market is a hidden gem. One entrepreneur tapped into this niche by offering repair and maintenance courses online. She's making impressive profits with a combination of step-by-step video tutorials and one-on-one support. This business model leverages people's emotional attachment to their sewing machines and the ongoing need for maintenance. If you have specialized knowledge, there's a market out there willing to pay for it. Custom-coded websites, $115,000 per month. In a world where everyone wants a unique online presence, custom-coded websites are in high demand. One entrepreneur is making $115,000 per month by providing bespoke web solutions to clients. The key here is to focus on high-paying clients who need more than just a basic website. Offering ongoing maintenance and updates ensures a steady stream of income. If you have coding skills, this is a fantastic way to turn them into serious cash. Rock drilling services, heavy machinery, heavy profits. Rock drilling might sound niche, but the profits are massive. Providing drilling services to industries like construction, mining, and oil and gas, one entrepreneur is making $220,000 per month. The investment in machinery is significant, but the returns are worth it. This business thrives on the high demand for specialized services and the relatively low competition. If you're willing to invest in the right equipment, this can be a highly lucrative field. Mathnasium franchise proven model, predictable profits. Mathnasium, a math tutoring franchise, offers a proven business model with significant profit potential. By focusing on one location and following the franchise's strategy, one entrepreneur has built a successful center. With low overhead costs and strong brand recognition, Mathnasium provides a reliable path to making six figures. For those who want a structured approach to business with excellent support, this franchise is a great option. Resume services, helping others, profiting big. Helping people with their resumes, LinkedIn profiles, and career strategies can be incredibly rewarding and profitable. One entrepreneur charges $800 to $1,500 per client, spending just a few hours on each. By delivering high-quality services and building a strong reputation, he's making well into the six figures annually. This business shows that you can make a substantial income helping others succeed with expertise and a focus on customer satisfaction. Micro companies diversifying for success. Buying and running small businesses can be a smart way to diversify income and maximize profits. One entrepreneur has built a portfolio of micro companies, ranging from lawn care to vending machines. By leveraging employees across different ventures, he minimizes costs and maximizes efficiency. This approach demonstrates the power of diversification and strategic management in building a highly profitable business empire. Google Ads. Management, turning clicks into cash. Finally, mastering Google Ads can be a goldmine. One savvy marketer makes $30,000 to $40,000 per month by managing ads for local businesses. By ensuring profitable campaigns, he secures a percentage of the ad spend, making it a win-win for both parties. This business model requires expertise in digital marketing and a knack for generating high-converting ads. This can be a highly lucrative venture if you're good at copywriting and analytics. So, there you have it, 12 unique and highly profitable business ideas that everyday people use to make $10,000 or more monthly. These stories prove that anyone can achieve financial freedom with creativity, determination, and a smart approach. Which idea resonated with you the most? Let us know in the comments. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends who are ready to hustle. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we release more game-changing business ideas. Let's make this year our year of success. Be kind, be humble, and be generous. Thanks for watching Kingdom Cash.